Hello all, welcome to Gurukul CAT 100 series, a series designed to take you from your study room to your corporate boardroom. I am Deepak and this is Daily Quant with Deepak. Hello all, welcome to day 19. In this video, we will be discussing 5 questions from Arithmetic. So whenever a question is being displayed on the screen, pause the video, try solving that question, and once you are done solving, you can resume the video. Coming to first question. Rahul normally takes 8 hours to drive from Pune to Jaipur. So we have two cities. We have Pune and Jaipur. And Rahul usually takes 8 hours to travel between these two cities. Now today his car developed some fault at Nashik, a city between Pune and Jaipur. So there is some place Nashik between these two. Right. Now after fixing the fault in 24 minutes, he drove at a speed 25% more than the normal speed. Right. So he increased the speed. He reached the destination 12 minutes earlier than the normal time. Great. Now we are asked to find the ratio of distance between Pune and Nashik to that between Nashik and Jaipur. So let me consider this distance as x and this distance as y, and let his usual speed be s. Right. Now normally he will cover total x plus y distance with his normal speed s, and he takes 8 hours. Right. Now that day, since his car developed some fault at Nashik, so he would have traveled this x kilometers at his usual speed s. Right. So at Nashik he spent 24 minutes. Now since we have considered time in hours, let's convert 24 minutes to hours. So that would be plus 2 by 5 hours plus, now for the remaining distance, he drove at a speed 25% more than the normal speed. So he drove these y kilometers at s plus 25% of s, 5s by 4, that will go to numerator. And did he take 8 hours to reach Jaipur? No. He took 12 minutes less time. So that would be 8 minus 12, which is nothing but 1 by 5 minutes. Now let me send 2 by 5 to right hand side. Then you'll have 8 minus 3 by 5. So 40 minus 3, it is nothing but 37 by 5. Right. So let me erase 2 by 5 here, and on the right hand side, you will be having 37 by 5. Right. Now if I take LCM, you will be having 5s. Right. So in the numerator you have 5x plus 4y is equal to 37 by 5. Let this be equation 2 and let this be equation 1. Now let me divide equation 1 with equation 2. Right. Then you will have x plus y by this s and this s will get cancelled. Right. And I can also cancel this 5 and this 5. So you will have 5x plus 4y is equal to 8 by 37. Now if I cross multiply, you have 37x plus 37y is equal to 40x plus 32y. Right. Now bringing like terms to same side, 37y minus 32y, 4y is equal to 40x minus 37x, 3x, or x by y is equal to 4 by 3. Hence option B should be the answer for this question. Now coming to the second question. 10 machines take 10 days to make 10 widgets. Then how many days will 50 machines take to make 50 widgets? Right. Now let me consider that to make one widget, right, you need 1 unit of work to be done. Right. So 10 machines. Now let the efficiency of each machine be m. Right. So one machine will be doing m units of work a day. So 10 machines will be doing 10 units of work. Right. And in 10 days, so they will be doing 100 m units of work. Now this is equal to how much work was done. So if I assume to make one widget, 1 unit to make 10 widgets, 10 units of work was done. Now coming to second case. How many days will 50 machines, right? So each efficiency be M. So 50 machines will take, we do not know the time, let that be D, right? Now they should make 50 widgets, right? So 50 into, for each widget, it needs 1 unit of work to be done. So to make 50 widgets, 50 units of work, right? Now first, let's find the value of M from first equation. I can cancel these two and M will be equal to 1 by 10. Now let me substitute the value of M here. So 50 into 1 by 10 into D is equal to 50. So these two will get cancelled, or D is equal to 10 days. So the answer for this question should be 10 days. Now coming to the third question. Ria and Mehul simultaneously start running from their original positions towards each other. Okay. So let me consider Ria here and Mehul here running towards each other, meet at a point in between, so somewhere in between, and they keep running till they reach the other person's original position. So till M reaches here and till R reaches here. The time taken by Ria from her original position till their meeting point and the time taken by Mehul from the meeting point till Ria's original position are 12 minutes and 16 minutes respectively. Now what is this 12 minutes? Time taken by Ria from her original position till their meeting point. So Ria has taken 12 minutes, right? And Mehul have taken 16 minutes from the meeting point till Ria's original position, right? So to travel the same distance, Mehul had taken 16 minutes, right? Now if you observe, distance between these two is constant in both the cases, right? To cover the same distance, Ria took 12 minutes, whereas Mehul took 16 minutes. When the distance is constant, speed and time are inversely proportional, right? So the speeds of Ria and Mehul will be in the ratio 4 is to 3. Right, so that's the reason Ria has taken less time to cover the same distance compared to Mehul. Right, now both started simultaneously. Right, so Ria started from here and Mehul started from here simultaneously, and they met here. Right, now for to cover this distance, Mehul would also have taken 12 minutes. Right, so because they will be traveling for same time. Now we know that the ratio of the speeds is 4 is to 3. If Mehul had taken 12 minutes to reach from her initial position to the meeting point, Ria would have taken how much? 9 minutes. 12 into 3 by 4. 9 minutes. Speed and time are inversely proportional. Then what was asked? What is the total time taken by Ria to run from her original position to Mehul's original position? So 16 minutes till the meeting point and then 9 minutes to reach Mehul's initial point. Right. So the answer for this question should be 21 minutes. Now coming to the fourth question. When x is increased by x%, it gives the same value as 2x does when it is decreased by 2x%. What will be the value of 3x after it is increased by x? So we have x initially. Now this was increased by x%. So 1 plus x by 100. Now this value is same as when 2x is decreased by 2x%. So 2x by 100. Right? Now let me cancel x on both sides. So we have 1 plus x by 100 is equal to 2 minus 4x by 100. Now let me shift 4x by 100 to the left hand side and 1 to the right hand side. So 4x by 100 plus x by 100 is equal to 2 minus 1, which is 1, or 5x by 100 is equal to 1, 5 ones, 5 20s, or x is equal to 20. Done. Now we have the value of x. Now what was asked? What will be the value of 3x? So 3x would be 60 after it is increased by x%. So after it is being increased by 20%. Now what is 10% of 60? 20% 12. So 60 plus 12, 72 should be the answer for this question. Now coming to the last question of the day. A and B have speeds 20 meters per second and 16 meters per second. They are moving around a circular track. Okay. Beginning from point P. And in how many distinct points will they meet if they are moving in opposite direction? So you have A moving in this direction and B moving in this direction. Right. Now to answer these types of questions, first we need to find the ratio of their speeds. Now, ratio is 20 by 16. Right. So I can further simplify this as 4 fours, 4 fives. 5 by 4, and you need to ensure that these are co-primes. So since they are moving in opposite directions, the number of meeting points would be 5 plus 4, 9. Now if they are moving in the same direction, then it should be 5 minus 4, 1. So the answer for this question should be 9. And to use this shortcut, you always need to ensure that the numerator and denominator are co-primes to each other.
Hope you enjoyed learning from today's session.
This series is designed to help you with your CAT preparation and practice daily. We are with you in this journey.
To watch the next video, click here. And to watch Gurukul's CAT 100 series, study room to boardroom, the entire playlist, click here.
If you learned from today's session, like, share, and subscribe.